Hi everyone, today we're gonna make my favorite muffin. For the ingredients, we'll need walnuts, baking soda, baking powder, some bananas, oats, coconut sugar, milk, corn oil, butter, and all-purpose flour. You're gonna need 3 regular sized bananas to make 1 cup of mashed bananas. I'll put the complete ingredients on the description below. You can use a riper bananas than what I'm using at the moment, but for me, this is my preference. I leave it chunky as well so that when you bite the muffin, you'll find some bits of bananas. This is one of my most favorite muffins so far. So flavorful and yet so healthy because of the fiber coming from the oats and from the bananas. After continuous mashing, it should look like this. As you can see, may mga bits pa rin siya ng bananas. But that's how I like it. Now let's combine the coconut sugar with the wet ingredients, followed by the mashed bananas. Mix it until it's fully combined and then set aside. Dry ingredients: 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of flour, 'Then add in the walnuts. I love walnuts, but if you do not like it, you can opt it out.
There are 10 times more bacteria in the human body than the body's own cells. Because of their size, they only take up to 1 to 3% of our body. Feel like some food was tastier
Baking
when you were a
powder,
kid. You're not alone. But it's
1
not.
teaspoon.
It's your weakening sense of taste to blame. By the age of 60, you lose about 40% of your taste bud sensitivity. Toothache and headache are linked together thanks to the trigeminal nerve. It goes from the jaw right to the head. So when you feel tooth pain, it usually goes hand in hand with an aching head.
Baking
Most
soda,
cities have about
half
1 million
teaspoon.
residents. Nearly 100 bones fuse together as we get older. You lose calories doing literally anything. A healthy 8-hour sleep, for example, burns up to 800 calories. And yes, you spend energy even while eating. When you feel an urge to go to the bathroom, your bladder is really only half full. When it's about to burst, you can hardly keep the urge at bay. That's why there's nobody so determined as a person who has to pee. Nerve impulses in your body travel at a speed of up to 200 miles per hour. Your brain needs to be fast to respond to stuff like pain or tickles. The brain by itself, by the way, can't feel pain. It has no nerve endings of its own. You have a useless organ in the human body that can feel very hard. However, some studies show that people who had their appendixes removed in childhood without dilating which slows down or even stops some bodily functions to keep us from dying. That improves your heart rate.
Then mix it until well combined.
The human body is the skin. Now, it's considered a single organ and a huge one at that. The liver is
Mix
also
the
a
dry
single organ.
ingredients to the wet ingredients.
The strongest muscle in your body is your jaw. Your brain is doing all the exercising you do throughout the day. Sugar will move faster in the spleen. Scientists argue that could be because of dehydration, or quality rest, or more sunlight. You can almost sneeze with your eyes closed. Your eyes automatically close to keep the fluid shooting out of your mouth and nose from getting in your eyes. When you open them, the fluid shoots out of your mouth and nose and into your eyes. This fluid is called tbsp, tbsp stands for thermoregulating spleen. Tbsp is the fluid that keeps the fat in your stomach from getting into your blood. Tbsp is and you shouldn't kiss. Oh, and make sure they're coordinated too, of course. That'd be awkward. The strongest muscles in your body are those needed for chewing food. That makes sense if you think about it. If everywhere on Earth lived as densely as in Manhattan, the entire human race could fit in New Zealand. That's a lot of bodies bumping elbows. Hey, I'm walking here. Women's hearts beat faster than men's, but a man's stomach digests food more quickly. I guess they're all good at something. Human cells die and get replaced every split second. 50,000 cells as you were listening to me tell you this fact. Why? Did you lose count? Your brain generates electricity, and when it's awake, it can light a single light bulb. Ah, now the whole bright idea thing makes sense. On average, right-handed people live longer than left-handed people. Sorry, lefties, it's just cold hard statistics. And
I add some cinnamon for a twist. It's up to your preference.
external factors like smoking can behave your fat
Mix it for 30 seconds. And then, after 30 seconds, scrape the sides and mix it again for another 30 seconds. Do not overmix.
called walnut muffin. This is a delicious breakfast treat that can be eaten right after breakfast. Walnuts are especially delicious with coffee. Walnuts contain caffeine, the powerful ingredient in coffee. The average person forgets 90% of their drink.
Another twist, I love putting streusel on top. This is made of melted butter, some coconut sugar, some flour, some oats, and grated walnuts. Mix it all together until fully combined. Lalagay natin siya mamaya sa top ng ating muffin. Then fill up your muffin cases. I love using ice cream scooper whenever I fill up my cupcakes or my muffin cases. It makes it less messy. I've used 1½ scoop of butter. I try not to fill it up to the top because the cake will still rise. Now it's time to put the streusel on top. Bake it for 16 to 18 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So here it is. Smells yummy, so tasty, and so healthy. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.